Hi everybody. So today we're going to do an mammoth shopping bag. So I made this. I never seen people doing shopping bags, and this is my first time to do the shopping bag. And first you need to print out animals pictures that are big. I chose monsters. And my sister chose monster and mammoth. And you also need double-sided tape. If you don't have one, you can use glue sticks and shopping bags and scissors. Scissors. Okay. And then you also need, if you need some papers, you need to decorate them. Glue! Okay, let's get started. So first you need shopping bag. Okay, so you have to go like this. And then you need to cut here. You have to cut this side. You have to cut here into a square. Okay? And then you are going to do is you need to fold in half like a hot dog, and then fold another hot dog and another, or you can just you have to do, I prefer to use double-sided tape because it's not messy. Okay? Because glue is messy because sometimes it goes on your hand and sticky and on the table. And then
Alright.
Alright. Alright. So now we're going to do So I am already done. And my nails already done, Pinky. And then we're going to need some decorations right now. Alright. She's gonna do beatbox. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. And I already made it. It kind of looks really funny. Okay, I have something to say. If you like it, subscribe it. If you like it, subscribe it.